Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. 2024 is packed with mind-blowing gadgets and innovations that are sure to change the way we live, work, and play. From advanced holograms to AI-driven smart glasses, there's a lot to cover. So let's dive into the most exciting tech innovations of the year. Holox. The future of holographic displays. First up, we have Holox. Imagine lifelike, 3D holographic displays right in front of you. And even better, you can interact with them thanks to AI integration. Holox is pushing the boundaries of what holographic tech can do, making real-time interactions feel more immersive than ever before. This is not science fiction, it's here. Miu. Stylish AI-driven AR glasses. Next on the list is Miu, the AI-powered AR glasses that combine style with next-gen tech. Whether you're walking down the street or traveling the world, these glasses give you real-time notifications and even translations. Forget pulling out your phone. Your world is now seamlessly enhanced right through your lenses. Bolly, the robotic companion by Samsung. Ever dreamed of having a robotic assistant at home? Meet Bolly, Samsung's adorable yet highly capable robotic companion. Bolly doesn't just help with household tasks, it can also track your fitness, reminding you to stay active. It's like having a smart personal assistant that moves with you around the house. LG OLED T, the transparent TV. If you're into cutting-edge home decor, the LG OLED T is a game-changer. This transparent 77-inch TV isn't just for watching shows. It doubles as a stylish room divider when turned off. Imagine turning your living room into a futuristic space with a TV that disappears into the background when not in use. Samsung Q990C. Cinematic audio at home. Let's talk sound. The Samsung Q990C is not just a soundbar. It's an experience. Featuring Dolby Atmos, it provides cinematic 3D sound that completely immerses you in whatever you're watching or listening to. Whether it's movie night or gaming, this soundbar delivers audio like never before. ROG Phone 8 Pro, a gamer's dream phone. For the gamers out there, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is the phone you've been waiting for. It boasts a stunning display, superior performance, and advanced photography features, perfect for both gaming marathons and capturing those epic moments. It's the ultimate all-in-one device. Unrai Go2, the versatile robotic dog. Finally, we have Unrai Go2, a robotic dog with advanced AI that can assist with everyday tasks and even educational purposes. With its long battery life and versatile functions, Unrai Go2 is more than just a pet. It's a companion that can help you at home or school. And that wraps up our list of the most exciting gadgets for 2024. Whether you're into holographic displays, smart glasses, or robotic companions, this year's innovations are taking things to the next level. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates.